guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading!
Hello everyone, so this is chapter 27. Just down the princess spoke for me and Bansha is very grateful. Ganda talaga niya, no? Slim. Slim yung small size. No need to thank me if it weren't for my great-grandmother being saved by medicine. Grandpa, during the epidemic back then, we wouldn't be here today. Now there's no one left for me. Ito naman si Princess. Pretty din masyado pagka-drawing, no? Also, about the incident where my brother was rude to you at the goddess pavilion before. Saan doon? Hindi ko maalala yun. I apologize on his behalf. Hi, having an energetic older brother really makes us younger sisters worry. Who said that? It's not. So, papunta sila sa lake, no? Upad. Huh? You see, I'm seeing such beautiful flowers blooming from cracks in the rocks for the first time. There are still many inside the cave. Let's go in and take a look. Sensya na guys. Parang wala ako sa mood ngayon magbasa. Napaka-curious cut ng ating princess, right? That's right, the name of this flower is... Ah! Don't shout. Oh no. Oh my gosh, what's it? Assassin? Princess! Keep quiet to save your life. Sino to? Parang familiar yung face niya. Sino ka? This pattern, it's Big Brother's sword. You. Big Brother? May Big Brother pa pala siya? He must have recognized me. Oo, kasi second brother kasi yun, di ba? Yung nandoon sa bahay nila, tapos third brother, tapos siya, yung bunso. Nangyari sa Big Brother niya, bakit naging assassin to? Isn't the eldest brother a dandy who has no learning or skills, and indulge in the pleasure district and fireworks? Eh, pogi din yung yung first brother niya. May tsura din. When did you become a martial arts practitioner? O, diba? Snap. Ay, bakit mo sinaktan yung princess? Oh, you push it. Princess. Nangyari? It seems that my brother did not intend to harm anyone. Ano kayang problema niya? Princess, wake up! Diba? Nakakahimatay ba talaga pag sa batok tinamaan? What if my brother caused trouble? We must follow and see. Don't panic, the princess will wake up in about a quarter. You take care of the princess, I will come back. But... Don't make a sound, or you will ruin the princess' reputation. Oo nga naman. I understand. Clatter. deep in the garden. Sinundan niya yung kuya niya. I can find any trace. Did my brother go deeper? Ikaw din, nag-go deeper ka din. Alam mo, maraming matang nakasunod sa'yo. Ano ka pa? Girl, catch it. Huh? Ano nga sa loob? Oh my gosh, it's snake. Ah, 100-pace viper. Oh no. Bakit pinasalo sa kanya? Sinong nagpasalo sa kanya? Girl, go no farther. You're not supposed to be up ahead. Sino ba to? Yung kuya nung ano. Oo. Kuya nung princess. Mizichu, do you know that this is a 100-pace viper? If bitten, you will die within 5 steps. Are you trying to kill me? What did you say? Snake? Viper? This is not right. I specially bought a non-poisonous snake, and I even removed its teeth. There's a record of this snake in the book of medicine, without words. Its vision is extremely poor. As long as I don't move it, it won't bite. So scary. Basta hindi mo lang siya ma-move, hindi siya mangangagat. Oh my gosh. Dalawa pa. However, if I want to lead this snake away, I must use blood as bait. You're Russell. Hala, ang prince. Your Highness. Oh, yung ano. Okay. Ang fiancé niya dumating. Lagot ka ngayon, prince. Anyway, this is the end of the chapter. Let's see what will happen on the next one. And, ang galing niyang umiwas dun sa dun sa snake. Na natin kung totally maiiwasan niya at anong mangyayari sa lalaking to. Na nagtapon ng snake kay Bansai. Anyway, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!
Thank you for reading with me, everyone.